Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about types of preposition. How many types of preposition? Based on the different uses and function of preposition, they can be divided into four types. Based on different uses and function of preposition, they can divide into four main types. Simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, participle preposition. Based on different uses and function of preposition, they can be divided into four types: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, and participle preposition. Divided into four main types. First is simple preposition, second is double preposition, third is compound preposition, and fourth, last is participle preposition. Preposition can divided into four main types. First is simple, second is double, third is compound, fourth is participle preposition. Thank you.